how to turn on or turn off easy mode for large items on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and click on easy mode. From here you will see easy mode is here. Click on easy mode. If you want to turn on easy mode, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see easy mode is turned on. If you want to turn off easy mode, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see easy mode is turned off. You will turn on or turn off easy mode from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off easy mode for large items on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.